Hello friends, welcome to C for Career. Today we are going to discuss an important topic in reasoning, that is directions and distance. Why it is important is, for all competitive exams they will ask question from this topic. Such an important topic, simple topic, you can get full mark in this topic. What are the four basic directions? Everyone know: north, south, east, west. These are the four basic directions. Then a direction between north and east is what? Northeast. Direction between north and east is northeast, and the direction between south and east is southeast. Northeast, southeast, and this is southwest, and this is northwest. And all the questions will be based on this 8 directions only. And directions and distance, they will ask question related to the directions also and the given distance also. So we will discuss an example question. A person moves 20 meter to the north, then he take a right turn and moves 12 meter, then he take a right turn and moves 20 meter. This is the instruction given, and it is followed by 2 questions, right? Now we will see how we can approach this question, and I have taken a reference diagram. For a beginner, it's better to have a reference diagram in your rough paper, right? For a beginner, and after a good practice, no need to go for reference diagram. We can able to draw with one stretch, right? And how to approach this question? A person moves 20 meter to the north, right? So take a starting point and reference diagram. This is north, this is north. A person moves 20 meter to the north. That means from the starting point, draw a line towards north and just mark this as 20 meter. Just mark this, right? Just mark this as 20 meter. Then he take a right turn. Now this is very important in direction, right? Right turn, left turn, you should know what is right, what is left. And to better understand this, how you can able to do question in the exam is, just to consider yourself standing on this line, and what is your right, what is your left. Now yourself, you are moving on this line, what will be your left? Yes, this is your left and this is your right. Therefore he take a right turn, just take a right turn, just mark a line like this, right? Then he moves how many meter? 12 meter. Take a right turn, from this point take a right turn and moves how many meter? 12 meter. So just to draw a line like this and just mark 12 meter. What is given? 12 meter. So we are marking that. Then he take a right turn, then he take a right turn, again he is taking a right turn and moves how many meter? 20 meter. Now from this point, how to judge left and right? Consider yourself standing on this line. What is your left, what is your right? If a person looking at this direction, this is left of the person and this is right of the person. And towards right means first decide the direction. Then how many meter? 20 meter. Now we can draw a line and mark 20 meter. Clear? Now this distance we already have 20 meter. Therefore this line will exactly stop at this point. This is 20 meter. This is 20 meter, this is 20 meter, and this is 12 meter. Therefore this is also 12 meter, right? Now instruction, they can give any instruction, but possible questions are these 3 possible questions. Here I have written 2 questions, but only 3 possible questions. That is starting to ending. What is the direction and distance? One possible question. Then next possible question is finally he is looking towards. That is next possible question. Then what will be the third possible question? Ending to starting. What is the distance and direction? These are the possible questions, right? Now how far and towards which direction he is from the starting point? In our diagram, this is our starting point and this is ending point, and what they are asking, how far? How far? What is this distance? 12 meter. Therefore how far? 12 meter. Towards which direction? He is from the starting point. So this is starting point. Towards which direction? Towards this direction. And this direction is what? Towards this arrow mark is what? East. When we consider this as north, this will be what? East. So 12 meter east is the answer for the first question. Clear? Then finally he is moving towards. Finally he is moving towards. A person started moving towards north. Then he take a right turn. He is moving towards east. Then he take a right turn. This is his final position. And finally he is moving towards what? South. That is the answer for second question. Now what is third question? How far and towards which direction? he has to move further to reach his starting point. That is, from this he has to move towards which direction? West. And what is the distance? 12 meter. So ending to starting 12 meter to the west, starting to ending 12 meter to the east, and finally he is looking towards south. So we will see the next question. A person moves 15 meter to the east, right? Then he take a left turn and moves 20 meter. Then he take a left turn and moves 8 meter and stopped at a point. And it is followed by 3 questions. This is instruction and it is followed by 3 questions. Now we will see how to approach this question, right? Already we have a reference diagram only for the beginners. I am repeating this, only for the beginners reference diagram is needed, right? A person moves 15 meter to the east, right? Take a starting point, and a person moves 15 meter to the east. So east is this direction. From the starting point, mark a line, draw a line towards east and mark this as 15 meter. Just mark this 15 meter. Then he take a left turn. Now I already told you how to judge left and right. Think yourself traveling on this line. What is your left? What is your right? Now you are moving on this line. Obviously this is left and this is right. Clear? Now from this point take a left turn. So decide the direction first. Towards upward or towards downward, decide the direction first. Then fix the distance. Then he take a left turn and moves how many meter? 20 meter. So towards this direction we need 20 meter. Just to draw a line and mark 20 meter, right? Then he take a left turn. Now the person is looking at this place, looking towards this direction. Which will be his left, which will be his right? Yes, this is left and this is right. Clear? Left and right. And he take a left turn and moves how many meter given? 8 meter. So first we decide the direction, left turn, and moves how many meter? Only 8 meter. Now this is a different type question, right? He moves 8 meter. Now here we have a parallel line. When we are drawing a line here, we have a parallel line here. And this is what? 15. And here he is supposed to move only 8 meter. Therefore 8 meter should be less than 15 meter, right? 8 meter is less than 15 meter. So draw a shorter line comparatively to this. Just to draw a shorter line. Clear? And just mark this as 8 meter. No need to measure anything, just this is 15. When we consider this is 15 meter, 8 meter should be what? Obviously less than 15 meter. So draw a shorter line than this. Clear? Then, and he stopped at a point. This is the final diagram. Now, we have to find out how far and towards which direction he is from the starting. Now, starting point is this. Clear? And ending point is this. And what is the question? How far we have to find out, and towards which direction also we have to find out. Now from this starting point, simply we can say he is towards which direction? Towards this direction is what? This direction. Clear? Towards this is in between north and east. This is what? Northeast. Therefore the person from the starting towards which direction? Northeast. Find the direction first. Clear? Then in the option, more than one northeast is given or none of this is given means you can check the value. Otherwise only one northeast is given, none of this is not given, we can confirm answer like this. Clear? And we have to find out how far. Clear? How far. That means we have to find this distance. We should not calculate like this. That is a wrong approach. Clear? How we have to find this distance is, now see this makes a right angle triangle. So we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. Clear? That is, out of this 15 meter, this area is 8 meter. Therefore we understand exactly this is also 8 meter. Therefore remaining this is what? 7 meter. And this area is what? 20 meter. Now what is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to adjacent square plus opposite square. Clear? So when we apply that, we will have this hypotenuse square is equal to square of this 20 plus square of this. But we need only hypotenuse. What we can take? We can take square root. Therefore root of 20 square plus 7 square. 20 square is 400, 7 square is 49, and we have 449. Root 449. It's not a perfect square means no need to convert into square root. Just keep this as it is. Clear? So the exact answer for this question is root 449 towards northeast. How far and towards which direction he is from the starting point? Towards northeast, and this direction is hypotenuse. I hope you all clear with this method, right? So this is 8 meter, this is also 8 meter, remaining 7 meter is there, and this is 20. So 20 square plus 7 square, 400 plus 7 square is 49. So 400 plus 49, 449, root 449, keep that as it is. Clear? Then second question, finally he is looking towards. Finally he is looking towards, very simple, this is his final point. And he is looking towards what? West. Good. He is looking towards west. He is looking towards west. That is the answer for the second question. Now, how far and towards which direction he has to further move to reach his starting point? Clear? That means from the ending point, how far and towards which direction he has to move to reach the starting point? He has to move towards this direction, and this direction is what? Southwest. This direction is what? Southwest. And what is the distance? We already calculated the distance, this area. Clear? And same method, that is root 449 meter towards southwest. Ending to starting, he can able to move towards this direction, and this is what? Southwest. And how much meter? Same, here 20 meter is there, 7 meter is there, 400 plus 49, square root of 449 meter towards southwest is the answer. Hope you all understand with these questions, and today we have seen only two simple and basic questions, and in the directions there are many advanced questions. That is, degree changes will be there. That is, a person moves 10 meter, then he rotates 45 degree towards clockwise. That type of degree change questions will be there. Then coded directions, which is very important for the main exam in bank PO level examination, and for those advanced questions, please see our C4 Career live class. Thank you.